The call that wasn't from any room women's scary story. I used to work the night shift at a small hotel off the highway. One Tuesday around 2 a.m., the front phone rang. A woman whispered, "He's standing outside my door." I pulled up the camera for her floor. The hallway was empty. I told her that, and she went quiet. Then she said, very calmly, "That's because he's inside now." I grabbed the master key and ran upstairs with security. When we reached the room, the door was wide open. The bed was untouched. No luggage. No signs anyone had been there, except the bathroom mirror. Written in steam, slowly fading, were the words, "You saw nothing." We checked the call logs afterward. The call hadn't come from any room in the hotel. What still keeps me awake is this. The voice on the phone wasn't scared. It sounded relieved.